Welcome to Kingsbury St. Louis, a stylish student sanctuary designed with elite taste and campus closeness, only for you. These cozy en-suites and spacious two-bedroom apartments feature durable granite countertops, in-unit washer, and dryer to skip those time-consuming laundromat runs, a dishwasher to erase any traces of your culinary experiments from your utensils, ample storage space for added advantage. Based on your pick, you can also get your pets along. And feel free to roll in with your wheels. Secured parking is available for them to rest and elevator to add more convenience. Hold on, there's more. A quick drive can transport you to campus within moments. With Washington University and St. Louis University nearby, getting to class on time couldn't be more effortless. Dive into the city bustle and explore its magic with ease and speed. Just head to the bus stop on Dabaliviere Kingsbury Place SB or head to the Forest Park de Balaviere Light Trail Station. The university experience of your dreams starts here, so come to Kingsbury St. Louis via amberstudent.com today.